Hey guys, changing my, I loosened it up a second ago and she popped, it actually dropped off the glue. My central machinery belt sander, disc sander in one, but the small one, everything's blurry again, but got a new disc, a couple of belts. Just, so for like a split second I thought I could just take these wing nuts off. Where are they? That's another one. But you have to take a little screw out from here with a washer. Where'd they go so I can put them back? Here we go in the sawdust. Little screws. I swear I don't know where the other one is. But I'll find something. Here it is. So this should, voila. Then just to get that started, I didn't have a scraper, so I had this broken airplane propeller. Got the edge. It peeled right off. To tell you the truth, I don't have anything to clean it with. Oh, carburetor cleaner will do the job. What's this? There was a bit or something on the tip of that mandrel. Okay, where's this? Where's this? Fucking commercials, unwanted homes. If you don't want your home, you're broke. Can't pay the taxes. Don't have the money to fix it up. We'll buy your unwanted home. Sorry, all the jiggling. This should be shot. That's the one I got, and the stupid paper wasn't on it well, so I hope it even sticks. It ain't gonna stick well. Nope. Pile of shit. I might have to get some, I could get some heat, or I have to use some contact cement on this pig. It won't stick at all. Wonderful. You go buy something new. I feel like ripping it off and going over to Harbor Freight and sticking it on his forehead. Fucking bullshit they sell. I'd have to dig out my heat gun, throw some heat on it. So anyway, you guys get the drift. Another shitty video. This will slide over after you go blow it off with air if you're into that. And you could adjust it forward and back. Then put a square on that to get that true. Alright, check it out. Take care. Like and subscribe, brother. Hey, that's even better. Alright.